Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel that brings you the most exclusive, inspiring, and luxurious homes across the United States. Today, we take you inside a dream property that defines beauty, style, and sophistication, a home where elegance meets perfection. The drone glides over glass walls and palm trees, revealing the architecture of a masterpiece. The clean lines, white stone exterior, and manicured gardens shimmer in the golden Texas sunlight. Every inch of this home tells a story of modern design and luxurious living. As the camera descends to the ground, we approach the grand entrance. Tall glass doors, soft lighting, and natural textures welcoming you with class and comfort. To the left, a sleek garage stands ready for your finest collection, from Lamborghinis to Teslas, polished floors reflecting the light like glass. Step further inside and the kitchen awaits, a designer's dream featuring white marble counters, pendant lights, and the latest stainless steel appliances. It's a space that inspires creativity, family connection, and fine dining. Next to the kitchen, the dining area glows with elegance, a long table, modern chairs, and a crystal chandelier above. It's perfect for both cozy family dinners and grand celebrations. Moving into the living area, the TV lounge opens up with a soft neutral color palette, plush couches, and panoramic glass doors that bring the outside beauty inside. The connection between indoor and outdoor living is seamless, comfortable, cinematic, and inviting. The camera drifts softly toward the master bedroom. Natural sunlight floods through the windows, creating warmth and peace. A king-sized bed, fine fabrics, and a calming color scheme transform this space into a private retreat. Attached, the spa-inspired bathroom features a freestanding tub, glass shower, and marble detailing that radiates luxury. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a personal sanctuary. For fitness lovers, the private gym offers a bright and open space surrounded by glass and greenery. It's a place where motivation thrives, and every workout feels refreshing. Outside, the camera follows a pathway that opens to the backyard. A sparkling infinity pool stretches into the horizon, framed by wooden decking, soft seating, and tropical landscaping. The sound of water, the sunlight, the open sky, it's pure paradise. Beyond the pool, the garden blooms with serenity, lush green lawns, tall palms, and gentle evening lights that make it magical after sunset. Whether it's a morning coffee, an afternoon swim, or a sunset dinner, every moment here feels timeless. The drone rises again, revealing the full view of this extraordinary estate, a true masterpiece that defines the meaning of luxury. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, a statement, a dream brought to life. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful journey through another masterpiece presented by American Dream Mansions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where every home inspires your dream life.